Guys, so we're back, and this is the second half of airplane
Airplane
one.
one.
Everybody's in this bathroom, so I'm just gonna
Um,
yeah.
Stay 6 feet away from us.
Oh yeah.
Way, because it is quarantine now.
I just realized that everybody in the game, there's only two people that have a mask on, me and this random dude. Oh god. Speaking of masks, this is the part where we need the oxygen
Oh,
mask.
shoot. So do we need to sit down or no?
No, run around try to get one.
Amar, are you ready to get one?
Yes.
So you have to click them.
No, just run into them.
I'm not good at clicking. We're over there.
Oh.
So
It's gonna be like that. You see me?
I'm literally standing. I'm just running back and forth.
Bad news. Oh god. I get really scared of this part. My heart is racing. Oxygen mask will drop from over your seat. Oh, I found one.
I didn't. Oh my gosh.
The other on the other side.
Oh yes.
Me too. Okay, hold on.
That's close.
Wait, do you actually have one? I'm good.
Wait, let me see. It's over your pass. Now you've got safe protected. Oh my god, Amar, look. Oh gosh, this is when the monster comes.
No bomb.
Oh god, oh god.
Come on!
Is you right?
Uh,
No, mommy!
cut the blue one. If it's not the blue one, then it's fine.
I don't want to cut the blue one, Amar. You wake
I
up!
don't know which one it is. When I first played it, I watched people play this game. They cut the blue one, and it was right.
Should we click on it?
Click on the scissors.
I'm really scared. I don't want to do this. Where's the scissors?
Some random person. Me. I do. Which cable should I cut? Red or blue?
Blue.
I'm gonna take chances. I'm gonna say blue, but I'm gonna close my eyes. Don't tell
No,
me.
red.
You should have said something.
You did it. Yes!
Oh,
Oh
thank
my gosh.
God.
I'm glad you didn't cut red.
Phew.
Oh my gosh. It's blue.
Yay.
Wait, what did this person say? Stop moving,
Happy dance. Woohoo. I survived.
scared me. That literally got my heart racing.
I know. My heart starts racing, especially when it's me. I thought it was just there's me, you, and a couple other strangers. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and
This is where the monster comes from.
they're dead. I'm not dead. They're passed out. I found them.
Sorry.
They are unconscious. No, I didn't find them. Somebody else did. We need to alert the captain. Quickly get to the. Oh wait, but it needs a code. The code is over here.
Tell me, okay? It's locked. Why did I say that? I'm not in here.
I found it already.
I didn't even find it. Another person.
Found the code already.
Open the door. What's the code?
7306. But we don't need the code to get in. Oh, it's a monster.
What the? So we have to run for the master?
No,
What do we do?
you
Well,
will pay for what you've done.
they didn't do nothing. Your own self died. We tried to get us, but we're too. Why do I still have my mask on?
No idea.
So the monster is pretty ugly too.
I know, right? Like somebody. I
Like
think you
you're
know
not
who.
like, oh, what just happened?
Oh no! We had to go in that room. We had to press these random buttons, and I don't know. I just don't want to die. Okay, we have to run here, start pressing some random buttons, and if we don't press the right button at a time, we're all gonna die.
What? So we have to just run in here,
Yes.
press random buttons?
Wait. Yeah. Not. The captain is unconscious. I'm not gonna read it. I'm not gonna read the word. The timer didn't start yet, but I'm not gonna read the
I'm
words.
just clicking stuff. I'm just trying to click stuff so badly. Did the timer go?
We're gonna start. Check everything and find that button before we die. Oh god. I'm like clicking every button. Okay, click every button over there. Oh my god. I'm glad it's not just us two, because if it was us two, just us two, we would have died.
I got that.
Oh, thank god somebody found it. Jeez, almost all of them are red.
We went crazy.
We did it. We saved the plane.
But we need to save the
Oh wait, I
pilot
want to be
too.
the person that decides whether to crash the plane or not. It's probably not gonna. I want to try to be it, but it's probably gonna be somebody else because everybody always goes rushing for that part.
Where is it?
On the other side of the room, you have to go over there and to the front. You have to run all the way back over here and get in the seat. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone. I know what the phone is at.
I found it already.
Click it.
Wait, is it gonna teleport me back? Hey, that was my job to do that.
That's funny how everybody's going.
So we have to go there and then come back here.
No, go into the captain room and sit in the other seat. The first person there is the person that decides. I'm like holding my button. I want to be it so
I don't
bad.
know what to do. I'm just gonna, I guess, sit and see. I'm already going.
There's mad people. Everybody wants to do it.
Everyone, listen to the side. Just go already, lady. It's taking too long. It's too late.
Ooh, yes. It's not gonna be you or me. I could tell. Told you, it wasn't me.
Not fair. I never got to be it.
Me neither. I knew it was gonna be that girl. She better not crash the plane.
Why? Because we're gonna die. She crashed it. Huh. What happened? Did she crash the plane?
No, she's about to decide.
So you told her not to crash the plane.
Yes, I said.
Why can't she crash the plane?
Because we're gonna get the bad ending and I want the good ending.
Oh, that's what the bad ending was?
Uh-huh.
We had to leave the game?
Hello. Yes. She decided not to crash the plane.
I'm saving this plane.
Happy dance. Woohoo.
Do I have a happy dance or no?
No. They're doing the same thing you are.
So guys, that's it of the
Victory!
video. If you'd like to give us a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And guys, we're gonna play Airplane 3.
Can you turn your tablet, the Wi-Fi off on the tablet?
We're gonna be playing the 3 one, Airplane 3, and then guys, we're gonna be playing we're gonna be playing we're gonna be playing we're gonna play playing Airplane 3, and then we're gonna play the Castle Airplane.
Wait, what? No, we're not. Whatever. We'll play Airplane 3 though, definitely. So, bye guys.